Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Power Automate to QuickBooks for receipt capture. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Power Automate to QuickBooks for receipt capture, start by logging into your Microsoft Power Automate account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Flows section located in the left-hand menu. In the top right corner, click on the Create button to begin a new flow. Choose Automated Cloud Flow from the options presented. Give your flow a descriptive name, such as Receipt Capture for QuickBooks. In the Choose Your Flows Trigger section, type when a new file is created. Select the trigger for when a new file is created in a folder from the list. Click Create to proceed to the Flow Designer. Next, specify the folder where new receipt files will be uploaded, which can be a OneDrive or SharePoint folder. After specifying the folder, click on the plus icon to add a new step. In the search bar, type QuickBooks to find available QuickBooks actions. Select the action, Create a Receipt, from the QuickBooks options. Now, you'll need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Follow the prompts to connect Power Automate with your QuickBooks credentials. Once connected, fill out the necessary fields for the receipt, such as the amount, date, and vendor. To capture receipt details from the file, add another action by clicking the plus icon. Search for Extract Text from Image or use relevant OCR capabilities available in Power Automate. Configure this action to use the newly uploaded file from your specified folder. Map the output from the OCR action to the corresponding fields in the QuickBooks receipt creation step. After setting everything up, click on Save to save your flow. To test the flow, upload a sample receipt file to the designated folder. Monitor the flow to ensure it runs successfully and captures receipt data in QuickBooks. If necessary, tweak any parameters or mappings based on the results of your test. Your Microsoft Power Automate flow for capturing receipts in QuickBooks is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.